All 8th grade families are required to fill out a choice of school form or a magnet application. We recommend you fill out both. In this video, we'll give you some information and some scenarios. This video is aimed at families of 8th graders who are in a magnet program. 8th graders that are in a magnet program have automatic continuation to specific high school programs. Magnet students at Austin Academy have automatic continuation to the International Baccalaureate or IB program at Garland High School. Magnet students at Jackson have automatic continuation to the MST Magnet program at North Garland High School. Magnet students at Brandenburg have continuation to the Classical and Career program at Lakeview Centennial High School. Magnet students at Sellers Middle School have automatic continuation to the Global Business Language and Leadership Magnet at Naaman Forest High School. If your student is in one of these campuses and you're unsure if they are a magnet student, the office staff or counselors can help answer that question for you. Not all 8th graders at these campuses are magnet students. There are 4 options for current 8th graders. Continue in current program, hold the seat in the current program and apply for a new program, exit the current program and apply for a new program, and exit the current program. In the next few slides, we'll show you some example scenarios and action steps associated with these scenarios. In example 1, the student is an 8th grade magnet student at Sellers. The parent wants the student to continue in the Global Business Language and Leadership program at Naaman Forest. The student has automatic continuation to Naaman Forest. The parent needs to log into the application and select Continue in Current Program. The parent does not need to complete a choice of school form. The magnet continuation selection takes the place of the student's choice of school form for 9th grade in this scenario. In example number 2, the student is a magnet student at Brandenburg. The student has automatic continuation to the Classical and Career program at Lakeview Centennial, but the parent wants the student to apply to the Collegiate Academy program at Lakeview Centennial. The parent wants to make sure the student can still keep their seat in the Classical and Career program in case the student doesn't get into the collegiate program. The parent should select Hold Current Seat and Apply for New Program. This will hold the student's seat at the Classical and Career program at Lakeview in case the student does not get into the Collegiate Academy program. In example number 3, an 8th grade magnet student at Jackson has automatic continuation to North Garland, but the student only wants to apply to the P-TECH program at Garland High School. You should select Exit the Current Program and Apply for a New Program. By selecting this option, the parent can now complete the application for the P-TECH at Garland High School. The parent will also need to complete a choice of school form for a non-magnet campus. If the student is placed on a waitlist for P-TECH at Garland High School, the choice of school process will take effect. The original seat at North Garland will be given to another student when you select Exit the Current Program and Apply for a New Program. Exit the Current Program applies to next school year when your student is going to 9th grade. By selecting Exit Current Program, you're not making any changes to the 8th grade program. In scenario number 4, an 8th grade magnet student at Austin has automatic continuation to the IB program at Garland, but the parent does not want the student to continue there, and they're not interested in applying to another magnet. They want to go to their neighborhood high school as a general student. The parent should select Exit the Current Program, and the parent must complete a choice of school form. The original seat at Garland will be given to another student when you choose Exit the Current Program. Exiting the current program applies to the next school year when your student is going to the 9th grade. By selecting this, you're not making any changes to the 8th grade program. What happens if your student is placed on a wait list for any of the high schools? Our schools can call off the wait list until the 2nd week of school in the fall. As a reminder, current 8th grade magnet students have continuation into specific programs, not all of the programs at the school. The following programs do not have automatic continuation options: Accelerated Math and Science at North Garland, Academy of Visual and Performing Arts at Garland High School, Collegiate Academy at Lakeview and Naaman Forest, and the P-TECH and ECHS programs at all of our high school campuses. All of these programs require an application. What happens if you forget to submit a magnet application? You must complete a magnet application with your continuation choice to save your seat in your current magnet program. If you do not, you lose your continuation option and your magnet seat. The student will enter the choice of school process, or if you do not complete a choice of school form, Student Services will complete the choice process for the student and place them at a high school. Please check the Garland ISD website and go to the magnet page for magnet application dates and more information about the magnet application. We encourage you to learn more about all of your high school options. Thank you.